Hi guys, my name is Nanda Gopal and I welcome you all to Tech Delivered. Yep, the location has been changed, but not me and the technology. So what are you waiting for? Let's gain some knowledge. So this show is Tech Hood with NG, and I've done videos on how a headphone works and how a DSLR camera works before in this show, and you can find it in my channel. And today we're gonna look about how a car or a motorcycle works electrically. A vehicle is a mechanical device which uses the mechanical energy to move its position from one place to another. But also nowadays electrical energy plays a major part in its working. To say, cars and motorcycles may vary in their working mechanically and even electronically, but the electrical working of both the car and the motorcycle is the very same. So the components which are responsible for the electrical working of a car or a motorcycle are battery, DC generator, regulators, spark plugs, fuses, switches or relays, and lightings. So we will discuss about the working of all these components in a vehicle. To start up with the battery. The battery is considered to be the heart of the vehicle, the electrical heart of the vehicle, because it functions as a heart and provides uninterrupted supply of DC power once when the vehicle is turned on. Usually a 12-volt battery is used, and the positive is connected to all the components and the negative terminal is usually earthed via the body of the car. To provide the power uninterruptedly to the vehicle, the battery requires a voltage source. So a DC generator is usually used to provide voltage to the battery. This happens when we try to start the car, because when we switch the key to the ignition, this DC generator starts rotating and the voltage will be flowing towards the battery. So the next electrical component is spark plug. Everyone knows about this component because this cranks the engine to move the pistons. Apart from these three components, we require some additional components which are used to maintain the power supply of a system. They are regulators, switches, and fuse blocks. A regulator is something which is used to regulate or manage the power use of a system. This overlooks the system's performance and keeps it safe from power surges and other effects. The fuse blocks and relays are security devices that are used to prevent the system from the disorders before affecting it. So the fuse controls the short circuit current, and this switch will open up when a disorder is affecting the system. So in the case of a vehicle, the fuse blocks and switch will come into action only when if the regulator fails to regulate the system. Next is lighting. The headlights, rear lights, and indicators comes under this lightings, and they does their general process of providing light with a supply from the battery. So these are all the electrical components. Did I miss anything? Of course, wires. Wires are the nerves of a system, and without it, no process will ever happen in any system. Wiring a car is a very complicated task, and it needs to be done very precisely in order to make it look and work perfectly. These electrical components are nowadays getting replaced by some electronic components. For example, the spark plug is getting replaced by the electronic fuel injector. So we will deal upon with in our upcoming videos. So I hope everyone would have enjoyed watching this video, and I think everyone would have learned about something which you have already known. So until next video, it's bye from Nanda Gopal. Subscribe to the channel.